Guys, hello, you're welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be looking at some of the apps that I use as a content creator and as an entrepreneur, as a business owner. That is what we are going to be looking at today, because I've gotten a lot of questions about people asking me, what are the apps you use for editing your pictures? What are the apps that you use in editing your videos? What are the apps you use in so many things? So I just want to spill it all out today, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you're seeing my face for the first time, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Rachel Nabon, and on this channel we talk about entrepreneurship tips, content creation and social media tips, lifestyle vlog, and every other thing in between. The whole aim of this channel is to add more value to your life. Okay, so let's just dive into the video of today. But before that, can you just pause and give this video thumbs up? Give this video a thumbs up, like this video. What it does is that it helps more people see the video. It also shows me that you support my channel. All right, I'm waiting for you. Okay, thank you. I see you right there. All right, let's dive into the video of today. The first I will be talking about are my editing apps, my video editing app. So the app I use for editing all my videos, my YouTube videos, Instagram videos, TikTok and Facebook Reels videos, is CapCut. Yes, I know I've mentioned in my previous video that I use InShot. That was when I started the channel newly, but after that I started using CapCut. I've been using CapCut for some years now, and I must say it's recommendable. It's something that you should try. I know I was using InShot when I started this channel, and someone introduced me to CapCut. I had CapCut on my phone for a long time without me using it, but the moment I decided to use CapCut, it's just like getting that particular person that is the love of your life, and you keep loving the person forever. That is how my relationship with CapCut has been, because I've been using CapCut ever since then, and it makes editing easier for me. It makes it faster. Everything about the app is easy to navigate through. It's something that you can use as a beginner, and it's something that is not that hard to learn. You know, most of these editing apps, they are difficult to learn. Like for my system, the one I use on my laptop, I still use CapCut on my laptop. Before I got to know about CapCut on desktop, I downloaded a lot of video editing apps for desktop, and I couldn't use it. But immediately I downloaded CapCut, it was easy for me. I know my first time trying it, it looked a bit difficult, though it's the same thing on the phone app, but there's more to it. I have to learn, and now I can edit perfectly on my desktop. That is to say, my video editing app for now is CapCut. You can all try it out. It's not a sponsored video, it's just what I've learned in my experience of editing video over the years. Okay, let's move to the second one. The second app we'll be talking about is my picture editing app. All right, so my picture editing app is Lightroom. All right, I snap my pictures on my iPhone, then I edit them using Lightroom. So my Lightroom, if you notice on my Instagram, or if you check my YouTube thumbnails, most of my pictures have same theme, like they look alike. That is because I use presets. I use them on my pictures. So one thing about having presets is that you've already set everything. What you need to do is just input your picture, apply the presets you want, and you export your pictures. It makes it very easy. So if you can work with Lightroom, it's fine, but if you just want a ready preset, like how presets works, I'm going to show you on the screen what presets are like. My presets are like, yes, I'm going to show you on the phone now for you to see. So this is what it's like. You just put in your picture and you export your picture. It makes the whole work easier, but you can create your preset if you can navigate through the Lightroom app, do the editing yourself. You can do all of that, but I've already created presets that you can have access to. All you need to do is to do what I'm showing you on the screen now. Import your pictures, apply the preset, and export them. In the space of less than 5 minutes, you can have your pictures edited. So that is the app I use in editing my pictures. Another app I use in editing my picture is Facetune. So I only use Facetune when I want to work on the background of my picture. Probably I want to have a blur background, and I also want to apply some makeup on my face. In a place where I don't apply makeup, I use Facetune to do that. I use the free version. Okay, so you can check them out. So we move down to my notes. So as a content creator, as a business owner, I take down a lot of notes, from business and content ideas down to having my content bucket, taking notes of my daily sales, taking note of everything, even notes in church and notes whenever I'm going out. Like right now, I don't even go out with a notepad, a paper notepad. I only work on my phone pad. And what is this app I use in taking down all these notes? Is my phone notepad. Initially, I was using Simple Notes. I still have Simple Notes on my phone, right? Simple Notes is just like your phone notepad, but the difference is that you can log into your Simple Notes on any device. All you need to log in is with your email address and your password. So if you misplace your phone or you change your phone, you can download the app and you log into your Simple Notes, and you have all your notes intact. Like on my Simple Notes, I have the one that I took down since 2017, and it's still there. So I paused and I started using my phone notepad. My phone notepad, everything is saved in the iCloud, so I have access to it on any phone or any device I want to. That's the reason why I use each of these notes. The reason why I don't really use a notebook or a paper journal, the reason why I prefer the one on my device is that idea comes at any time, anywhere, and I am always with my phone. I don't know about you, I'm always with my phone. So the moment it comes, I go there. Or the moment I have the chance to create content, since my content ideas are in my notes, immediately I have the chance to create content, I just go to my content bucket and select the content idea I have there. But if I'm with a book, I will have a lot of them, and I won't be with them all the time. So that's the reason why I prefer using my phone notes than having a paper. So we move to the next one, what I use in scheduling my content. As a content creator and as a business owner, you believe with me that it's not all that easy showing up every day and keeping to a particular time to post your content on social media. It's not that easy. That's the reason why I go for scheduling app. And the one I've been using and the one I use currently is Buffer. Buffer is a scheduling app for all social media platforms. This particular app helps you whenever you have the chance to create your content in bulk. You can edit and upload them on Buffer. Schedule to the time you want, even if you want it at midnight. Whenever you want it to go live, you fix that time for it, schedule for that particular time, and boo, you go. So even when I am busy, or when I'm offline, or when my phone is down or my system is down, my content still goes live. Without me presently active. So that's what Buffer does for you, and it's something that is very, very easy to use. It's something that you should try. It accepts 3 accounts for the free version and up to 10 accounts for the paid version. So the 3 accounts could be your Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. When I was working full-time as a social media manager, I used the paid version because then I was managing a lot of accounts, over 20 accounts at the same time, and I have to schedule this post so they can all go live. All right, so these are the major apps I use on my phone. If you have any questions about the apps I use or whatever I use for my content creation or businesses, you can drop a comment for me and I will create a video about it. Okay guys, I hope you subscribe to my channel. If you haven't, it's not too late for you to do that. Join the family to enjoy more content like this, and don't forget to turn on bell notification to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Okay, I have to stop here for now. You can check out other of my videos. I have a playlist on China importation. I have a playlist on how to start and grow a sustainable YouTube channel and business. Then also have a channel on vlogs, my Lagos vlog and Port Harcourt vlog. But we have to stop here. See you in the next one. Bye.